Welcome to Gymnastics at Home with Absolute Gymnastics, where we teach you basic gymnastic skills. Tuck jump. Standing tall, swing your arms down by your hips and bend your legs. Push up for takeoff and tuck your knees into your chest and land in a safe landing position. Cat leap. Step forwards, bringing your strong leg up to a tuck position, push off the floor and swap your legs, bringing your second leg up and land on your strong leg. Cat leap full turn. Repeat the last exercise while turning away from your strong leg in a 360-degree rotation. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Why not share your skills with us via Instagram at Absolute Gymnastics?